Uthe wasephenduka sebedlile waphenduka wabheka kuPetro. The man of the moment. Wabheka kuPetro the same moment. Okwathi uJesu enikelwa elithethe icala lakhe beza abantu bambuza kwaze kwathatha the same moment. uJesu mayekhuma na ubuyela lapho. But he's not confronting him on his guilt. He's calling him back to recommitment. He's not confronting him on his guilt. Usathana ngahlebe enhlizweni zethu asenze ukuthi kube sengathi uNkulunkulu uyasihlulela ngezinto. God is calling us back to recommitment. God is calling us back to restoration. And so he's calling Peter back to recommission him kulokho ayemnikeze kona qala. Uma ethi Petro ngiyakulakha ibandla lami phezu kwaleli dwala. Ngithi wena unguSimon. Bheka ngiyalakha ibandla lami phezu kwaleli dwala amasanga ayithi sabona kulahlula. Kuthiwa waphenduka kuyena. Wambuza kokuqala. Simoni, kaJohn uyangithanda na? Uthi uPetro wathi yebo Nkosi, ngiyakuthanda. And uma ephendula hey uthula bayingcwele. Thula bayingcwele. There is a transaction. There is a transaction eyenzekayo ngoba in that moment uPetro is fully aware of that moment that happened. Yebo Nkosi uyazi ngiyakuthanda. Uthi uJesu ubonisa amawundlu ami. Uphinde kwesibili njengalomuntu wesibili oweza kuyi are you sure ukuthi awusiyena owekade naye? Uthi ngithe ngimazi lo muntu. Uthi Simon kaJohn uyangithanda na? Amen. Uthi yebo Nkosi uyazi ngiyakuthanda. Uthi uJesu yipha izimvu zami recommissioning. Amen. Akabuyele emuva. Kube kwakuyimina nawe. Angothi Simon kaJohn uyangithanda na? Athi yebo ngiyakuthanda. Ithi pho wangiphikelana. Amen. Hayi mina abazalwane ngangobuza pho wangiphikelana. Awushongo yini wena ukuthi uyoba nami kuze kube because that's who we are. Amen. God, but Christ is like now. He has moved beyond that. Amen. He says the calling is still upon your life. Amen. The blessing is still upon your life. Amen. The mark is still on you. Amen. The purpose is still on you. Amen. There is still work to do. Amen. There was a moment of weakness, but I'm here. Hey, Bangwelo, Christ meets us in our moment of weakness. Christ meets us in our moment of weakness. The devil wants us to be ashamed and to walk away and to never want to ever return and show our face to Christ. But Christ meets us in our moment of shame. And in our moment of shame, he redirects us back to who he said we are, to what he said we are, and to what he called us towards.